Cullum's apprenticeship program has taken off the last 10 years.
I get more of a hands-on approach, and I can actually see how things are working.
As a woman, it's awesome. You can't be afraid of this because there's a lot of support of everybody.
It is at your own pace, or what's comfortable for you to learn how to do.
So every time you're learning, they give you a raise, so you earn what you learn. Awesome,
Today we're at the College of Charleston. We're working at the Simmons Center of the Arts. Cullum's involvement is renovating all of the mechanical and HVAC systems for the building.
I am on the sheet metal side. Sheet metal is air conditioning.
I want to try to be an all-around plumber, I guess. So somebody would be like, hey, I don't get how to do this, I can be right there to step in and say, let me show you something.
The benefits for the apprentice are they get a series of books, and they coincides with online coursework, so they're doing quizzes and tests. And this gives them knowledge of the terminology, and also they get code compliance knowledge.
They teach me everything, and they give me books so I can learn, read my books, do my homework, and then come work, and they teach me and I work at the same time.
It also helps to show what you're learning in the books to the job site, because it actually really references a good bit that you actually see on a daily basis.
As far as field work, they're partnered and paired up with a journeyman, so it'll be a journeyman plumber or journeyman sheet metal mechanic, and those journeymen will track their progress, show them the field knowledge and field skills required really to progress as a journeyman.
When I came here, I have my teacher, and he's all the time with me by my side and say, hey, this is the best way you can do this. It's gonna be easier this way, it's gonna be faster. It's really helpful to come here, work, and learn at the same time.
My crew, these guys have been a great help to me. They've helped me out a good bit and taught me a lot.
The goal of apprenticeship is to get basically a blank slate to a journeyman quality individual. As the apprentice learns and grows in the knowledge up to a journeyman level, they will earn more.
If you prove me that you are learning, able to do this stuff, I'm gonna give you a raise, a raise, a raise, a raise. I'm like, awesome, yes, I'm gonna learn everything.
You want to get the work done, of course, so you get the higher raise. You also get the experience that you need, working through, with all the different guys, all the different people, job sites, and all that.
As far as the employer, there's tons of benefits as far as you build loyalty to the company, you're creating a better employee and investing in them. They want to invest in you. For the employer, it's a huge benefit long-term to invest that time and effort into that apprenticeship program. When I first met Isaiah, he was trained on equipment. So he was running forklifts and excavators, and he got into the apprenticeship program to learn plumbing. He's been valuable since day one.
I am the first woman on this crew.
What I have heard about Michelle in the field is her progress in the apprenticeship program is really fast and accelerated. The sky's the limit at Cullum. I can see her being the superintendent down the road.
You learn a lot of stuff every day.
Do your tasks to the best of your abilities all the time.
We would love to have someone who's dedicated, who wants to be an apprentice, wants to learn the trade, and values the knowledge that they're going to gain.
Shh.